Hi, I'm back. It's Diasha and we are back with another video. So this video is going to be a room tour. So it's going to be a little different. When I was in college, I went all out and decorated my first apartment. And unfortunately, I wasn't vlogging at that time. But I do have a lot of pictures to show you guys the finished product. And I'm going to talk you guys kind of through the creative process and how we got to the end product. So I'm going to be inserting photos of the pictures and showing you guys what I am talking about. So stay tuned. So I had decorated my first two rooms in college. And I have a picture of that one. I'll insert it. And I have a picture of the other one. I'll insert that one as well. So what inspired this video was I really love the color gold. Gold was my favorite color. I knew that I was going to incorporate that in my room no matter what. And I had started to love home decor, and you know, I had a little extra time after my internships to make these little visions come true. So I'm going to insert a picture of what inspired this room. So I knew I wanted gold, but I needed a color that went really well with gold. And I found this picture and I saw this blush pink and gold, and I said, Mom, this is the color scheme I want. So if you didn't know, whenever I have all these creative visions, I always drag my mom into helping me make them come true. So I knew I wanted some artwork in my room, because in my last room I had got my friend Nicole to make me some personalized artwork. So I was like, I want to try something different. So one day, me and my mom was in Walmart. We were just shopping around. You know, you go to Walmart and you lollygag around, and we stumbled across these letters. So they had these little wooden letters, and they were like maybe what, $1 or $2 a piece. And I got this brilliant idea, and I was like, ding, 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 ding. Mom, let's make customized letters. And of course, my mom was like, okay, D. So I'm going to insert a picture. I started with the letters, and we got this spray paint. So we spray painted the letters gold, and then we put the glitter gold, what is it, like the actual glitter on the letters. And then it was really pretty, but we noticed it kept like shedding and glitter was getting everywhere. So we had to go back and look for this sealant. So when we went to Walmart, we found the sealant, and we sealed it, and it made it shiny. And then when it was time to put on the wall, it wasn't getting everywhere. So here's the crown. So when we made the name, we saw these little, they had like other little cutouts to go with the names. And I decided to get a crown because it was cute. And I was like, okay, we could just put that on top of the name. So here's the crown as we were making it. Then here's a little video. We made 2 crowns. See? Do you guys see the details? And then here's a picture of how we did my entire name. Ooh, that's so pretty. And then, okay, then we had the letters. So we had letters, and that's all we had in my bedroom. We had gold letters, and this kind of made everything else fall into play. So when we were shopping around, we took my grandmother somewhere, and we were waiting for her, and we found these paintings. And the paintings were $4.99 a piece from DD's. And I'm pretty sure we were in Miami, because we don't have a, well, we do have a DD's. It's in West Palm, I think, all the way downtown. I think. Don't quote me on that. But we found these paintings in my color scheme, pink and gold. So we had to get it. So we had found one. There was only one in that store. So me and my mom had to go on the hunt for the entire summer to find a second one because I needed it to be symmetrical. Like, I just had it to be symmetrical. And we did eventually find it, and I think we got that one on sale as well. I don't think it was as cheap as $4.99, but I do think it was only like maybe $10, maybe. It was the, oh, okay, so they say the original price was $14.99, so it was discounted, and I'm pretty sure it was no more than $10. So then we had both paintings for under $20, and then we had the letters, which was $20 too. So we had artwork for $40. So we were still doing really good on our budgeting for this room. And then one day I was scrolling through Goodwill and I found this chair. So I'm going to insert a picture. So this little chair was green and brown, and I just had a vision for it. I was like, okay, this is going to be like my vanity chair. It's going to be cute to just sit. Ooh, excuse me, that was nasty. But this is going to be my little vanity chair to sit in the in my room, and it's just going to like sit my purses and things. So this is what it looked like before. And my cousin Shonda, she came up to help me make this dream come alive. So she came up to Tallahassee. She does like home decor. She does event planning. You guys check her out. She has an Instagram. I will put it on the screen so you guys can follow her. She's really, really good at what she does. And she does a lot of glitter gold stuff as well. You guys know that's my favorite color. So it was a win-win-win. So she came up. And when she came up, she brought all her utensils and all her tools and her toolbox and all her stuff. And she made the chair for me. So what we did was we went to Joann's Fabric and we found this this fur material, there we go, fur material. And she knew how to actually reupholster it. And all I had to do was use the glitter gold spray paint and spray paint the legs, and she was able to get the fur on top of it. And this was the final product, as you guys will see on the screen. And then it was time to actually put the room together. Oh wait, before we got there, what I did with the crown was I found 2 of my mom's old mirrors that she had from back in the days. And here's a picture of it before I repainted it. I took those and I took out the artwork that she had in it, and I spray painted the edges, and then I put the crowns that I made before inside those to serve as the artwork. And then I took just basic white sheets of paper and put it in the frame, and it came out. I made 2 of those, and that was basically free for our DIY projects because we took the frames from my mother and we already had the crowns that we made from the last DIY project. So I used those for my bathroom. And I don't think I have pictures of the bathroom, but I just eventually just made the bathroom white and gold because I had those paintings to go in it. So then I was shopping around. Because now I needed a bed set to make everything come together. So I had landed on, I wanted a blush pink bed set. So as you're gonna see in a picture, I had 2. I ordered one from Target because I was trying to be cheap, and I was like, okay, it's not that expensive. It'll only be like $80 and then it'll be perfect. It comes with everything I need. But there was also this bedding at Bath and Body Works that was everything that I wanted. It was silk, it was pretty, it was pleated, it gave me texture, it was everything I needed in a bed set. So I bought the one from Target being cheap, and then when I went to Bed Bath & Beyond, I found a coupon that made the bed set just as cheap as the one at Target. So then, as you see, I had both bed sets. So I think I eventually just took the one for Target back and was like, you know what, I'm just going to use what I actually like because it was essentially the same price. And I found the pink sheets on my bed from Walmart. They were like maybe $10, $15. Matched my color scheme perfectly. They're still alive. I still have them to this day. And the last DIY project I did was this little vase. So I got another a wooden vase from, I think I got that from Michael's, and I got white spray paint and I spray painted that. And then I took these little bejeweled, it's like a type of bejeweled that you can get from like Family Dollar or Dollar General, and it was glitter gold. And I took some flowers that I got from Michael's and I put it in the pot, and as you're gonna see, it made a cute, pretty floral arrangement. And then we got to the actual room, and my cousin helped me put it together. And as you see, you can see the bedding. It was so pretty. It was silk. And then my cousin had, I don't know, she brought this because she knew my favorite color was gold. She brought me like these little, maybe they were table runners? Maybe. They might have been table runners. And we used it as like a throw on the bed, and it added a nice little extra pop of gold. And then from the extra fur that we got from the chair, she made me a little pillow. We already had a pillow. She just put the fur, all the scraps from the chair on the pillow, and then put this gold strip on it from Dollar General. And then the pillows, we already had the pillows from the last bedroom, and I think I was able to find a big furry pillow from like Ross or Marshall's or something. And then she also gave me a curtain of the glitter gold. I'm pretty sure that was maybe like a tablecloth. And she was so creative that she was able to like manipulate it to be a curtain, and it made the room so pretty. And I'm just going to show you guys the final pictures of how it turned out. So that is it for my room tour. I will be doing more home decor things further down in the line when I get my apartment. So don't forget to like, do the thumbs up, comment, tell me what was your favorite part of this room tour, and don't forget to smash the like button. Bye!